Umentri rang ba ka jilau konrat ki sangma menta kasi ka khatsan tarik urisau arjarsan habakran hikilat patai kubor hadin belawai ka kenhun menteri ula pentip baka kenhun menteri kelasem ya karai habaya dei baka technical social service rule na ka benta ka municipal nalor ka tau long baka kenhun menteri kelakran habaya dei baka Meghalaya building bylaw bat kumju habaya dei baka report na ka benta ka Meghalaya education commission ula pentip rude baka kenhun menteri kelakran habaya dei baka jing penteri kam na ka benta ban thung kam pura no ikinar po ka Meghalaya nursing service appointment nakabenta ki post staff nurse but auxiliary nurse tang nakabenta ki tu gibasya thung kam ad hoc shows nam arjan nyo.
We had a cabinet meeting today, and in the cabinet meeting we had 5 agendas which were cleared in the cabinet today. The first agenda in the cabinet today was regarding the technical, financial and social service rules that were made for the municipalities of Meghalaya. So this basically the structure was formed, as well as the rules were also put into place, and this is being done as per the directions and suggestions that have been given by the Government of India, and these kind of reforms are taking place throughout the country. The second decision that was also made was the amendments to the Meghalaya building bylaws. Again, this is in line with the recommendations that have come from Government of India, mainly to do with the overall management of the land and giving the permissions and allowing more space for building construction to be done, so that more value of the land can come out. And as I said, these are all being done as per the guidelines and the suggestions that have been given by Government of India, and this has been done in all the different locations and different states throughout the country. The third agenda we discussed was the report of the Meghalaya State Education Commission. As you're aware, the Education Commission has submitted its report, and today we have gone into detail and presented the report to the members of the cabinet, and the report was accepted by the cabinet, though the details of the different recommendations have been they've been asked by the cabinet to the education department to go through each of the recommendations and come out with actionables and the way forward. And then the cabinet will decide on how we will move forward in the implementation of the report that has and the suggestions been given by this commission. The sixth was the regularization of the cadre under the Meghalaya nursing service appointment to the post of staff nurse and an auxiliary nurse and midwife. As you're aware that in 2022, if I'm not wrong, we had taken a decision to regularize employees who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanctioned post, which means that it was a sanctioned post, but the proper process of regularization, the proper process of recruitment was not conducted, and hence they were on ad hoc basis. And based on a Supreme Court ruling, we had gone ahead and regularized those who were appointed to such sanctioned post on an ad hoc basis pre-2008, which means 2007 December. And based on that, close to about 3,000 employees were regularized who were appointed on an ad hoc basis, were regularized about a couple of years back. And later on, again, a list of more people who were eligible and falling in that category were again brought to the cabinet, and we regularized those also. Similarly, today, the health department had brought a list of close to 1,000 nurses who are also in that same category, who have been appointed before December 2007 and was against a sanctioned post, but done on an ad hoc manner. So hence, following the same yardstick and the same rules that were applicable to all the other employees appointed in that manner, the cabinet today has decided that we will regularize those who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanctioned post before December 2007. The next decision was the amendment to the Meghalaya Health Service rules. There were some nomenclature adjustments that had to be made. It was a very minor adjustment or a minor amendment, and that was cleared by the cabinet, which is the Meghalaya Health Service Academic Rules 2025. So these were the agendas that were taken up today and cleared by the cabinet.